Hi boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. We are going to be doing a review about consonant digraphs. So the instructions say, look at the picture in each box. So we're going to be looking at these pictures right here. Then it says, write the beginning sound for the picture. Write the word on the line. Then color the picture with the color named for each word. I know that sounds like a lot, but we'll go step by step, so don't you worry. The first picture is a picture of a clock. So I'm going to write a C for the beginning sound in clock. Then I have a hammer. So I'm going to write an H for hammer. The next picture is an insect. I'm going to write the short I, And the last picture is a pencil. I'm going to write a P for pencil. And you can see that we now have the word chip. Chip. Let's write the word chip on the line. And our color is green. In our picture, any shape that has the word chip in it, we will color it green. So I see chip right here. I color in that whole shape. I see the word chip here. And chip has the ch digraph. Oh, here's chip down here. Okay, our next picture, I'm going to highlight them blue just so we don't get them mixed up with the previous pictures. You can see we have a lock, apple, star, and hammer. And that word is lash. Lash. So we are going to color any shape that has the word lash. We're going to color it blue because it says blue right here. So any of those that say lash, we're going to color blue. Okay, our next section of pictures. I see boat, apple, trophy, and hammer. And what word did that make? With that TH digraph at the end. Bath. And you can see the color is orange. Now Mrs. Nimitz doesn't have an orange on her iPad. So you are going to color any word or any picture or shape that has the word bath, you are going to color it orange. So please pause the video and look for the word bath and color any of the shapes orange that have the word bath inside of them. All right, way to go. We're going to move on to our next section of pictures. Our first picture is a clock. Clock. And remember, we're doing the beginning sounds at first. Hammer. Insect. Clock. And kite. Our word is ch-ik. Please write chick on the line. Chick. Now again, just like with orange, Mrs. Nimitz does not have purple. So you will pause the video and color any shape that has the word chick, and you're going to color it purple. Please do that now. All right, our next section of pictures. Here we go. I see a star, web, insect, star, and hammer. That word is swish. Swish. All right, now you can see that we are going to color any word that is the word swish. We're going to color it red. So I'm going to start looking around and finding any shape that has the word swish in it, and I will color it red. I'm sorry, it's kind of tricky to color on this. So I'm doing my best to stay inside the lines. Look at all these shapes that have the word swish. Ooh, and his tail too. Swish. Please pause the video and find any other words, if there are any, with the word swish. Okay, our next is yellow. So I see a star, hammer, envelope, lock, and frog. That word is shelf. We are going to color these any shapes that have the word shelf yellow. Here's a shelf. So please pause the video and color any shapes that have the word shelf. All right, in our last section, I see boat, umbrella, net, clock, and hammer. So I'm just writing those beginning sounds. And that word is bunch. Bunch. Mrs. Nimitz does not have a brown, but you will pause the video and you'll color any shapes that have the word bunch in it, and you'll color them brown. All right, you're doing great. Go ahead and flip it over when your picture is finished. All right, vowels and consonants. Our first word is dude. Dude. We have that long vowel, silent E. Our next word is the word lake. O-A-K. O-A-K. Long vowel, silent E. Then we have slime. S-O-I-M. S-O-I-M. Slime. Then we have the word bake. B-A-K. Bake. B-A-K. Bake. Our next word is globe. G-O-O-B. Globe. G-O-O-B. Globe. Then we're going to do the word slide. S-O-I-D. Slide. S-O-I-D. Slide. Our next word, nine. N-I-N. N-I-N. Long vowel, silent E. Our next word is a name, so we want to make sure to capitalize it, and it's Pete. P-E-T. Pete. P-E-T. Pete. Our next word is home. H-O-M. Home. H-O-M. Home. Long vowel, silent E. And our last word is five. F-I-V. F-I-V. 5. All right, my friends, you will go ahead and color by yourself all the vowels red and color all of the consonants blue. You did great. Turn it into the top basket and move on to Lexia. Good job.